Hello friends, welcome to my channel toolsguider. On this video, we are helping you to buy the best electric scooter on AliExpress 2025. We made the list based on around OpenAI, Recharge, and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Number 1. Arwibon GT08 Electric Scooter. The Arwibon GT08 electric scooter is a high-performance beast for thrill-seeking riders. Featuring dual 5600W motors, it reaches an exhilarating top speed of 50 miles per hour and offers impressive power for off-road adventures. The 60V27Ah battery delivers excellent range, while the 11-inch off-road tires ensure stability on rugged terrains. Its foldable design and included seat add portability and comfort, making it practical for daily use or weekend escapades. Durable and powerful, the GT08 redefines electric scooting for adults. Number 2. BOYUEDA S5-11 Electric Scooter. The BOYUEDA S5-11 electric scooter combines innovation and performance for a premium riding experience. With NFC activation and app control, it offers advanced convenience and security. Its long endurance mileage ensures reliability for extended trips, while the foldable design enhances portability. The high-performance motor delivers a smooth and powerful ride, and the comfortable pedal design adds to the overall experience. Perfect for commuters and adventure seekers, the S5-11 is a stylish and feature-packed electric scooter built to impress. Number 3. SUNNIGOO X7 Electric Scooter. The SUNNIGOO X7 electric scooter is a robust off-road performer with its 3600W dual motor system, offering impressive power and control. Equipped with 11-inch tires, it tackles rough terrains with ease, while its 48V21Ah battery provides a reliable range of 31 to 37 miles per charge. The foldable design adds convenience for storage and transport, making it practical for both commuting and adventures. Durable and versatile, the X7 is a great choice for riders seeking power and portability in one package. Number 4. JOYOR S10S Z Electric Scooter. The JOYOR S10S Z electric scooter impresses with its dual 1000W motors, offering a powerful and smooth ride. Its shock-absorbing design ensures comfort on various terrains, while the cruise function adds convenience for longer journeys. This foldable scooter is easy to store and transport, making it a practical choice for commuters. Built for endurance, it handles extended rides effortlessly. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, the S10S Z delivers performance, portability, and reliability in one sleek package. Number 5. Q7 Pro Max Electric Scooter. The Q7 Pro Max electric scooter is a powerhouse for adventurous adults. With its dual 3200W motors, it delivers an impressive top speed of 43 miles per hour and a range of up to 68 miles, making it ideal for long commutes or off-road exploration. The 11-inch all-terrain tires provide excellent stability, while the 440 pounds max load capacity ensures versatility for riders of all sizes. The included seat adds extra comfort, making this scooter a high-performance, convenient, and durable option for serious riders.